Face around this.
My name is Adedayo Oluwaseun Ayomi. My name is Adedayo Oluwaseun Ayomi. The nickname Rabbit. My comment about school. The school is okay, good. My comment about my faculty. My faculty is cool too. My comment about my department. Everyone is cool, but all of them are boring. On a scale of 100, great studies. 70. My name is brief description about myself. My name is Adedayo Oluwaseun. I'm cool, no hot-tempered. My best friend, Sheung and Joe. My crush, none. My favorite sport on campus, none. This thing I've ever done in school, none. What will I miss about school? Everybody, my friends, clubbing, everything. After school, what next? Work, master, marriage. My cook, the apple. My passing line for the class. We miss all of you. Bye.